shoot! No, don't shoot.
Hey, Chris, it's me, Harley.
Harley, what the heck are you doing down here? You scared the life out of me.
Sorry.
What are you doing? How did you get in here?
I crawled in through that window.
Okay.
Yeah.
Harley, what are you doing breaking into our basement?
Chris, please swear you won't tell anyone.
I can't swear when I don't know what it is.
I didn't steal anything. Well, that's not true. I borrowed some food. I'll pay you back.
From our emergency supplies?
I guess, and from the kitchen when no one was around.
You've broken into our house before? Okay, now you're starting to scare me, Harley. I'm getting my dad.
No, don't. Please wait. Let me explain.
You have 1 minute, then I'm screaming for my dad.
Okay, just hang on. Don't get all freaked out. I've been kind of, living here.
Living here?
Yeah, in your basement. My folks kicked me out of the house.
What? Why?
Because my stepmother is a crazy witch.
She kicked you out for no reason? Just tell me. You have to have done something. What about your dad?
She's got him all wrapped around her fingers. She's convinced him I'm a danger to Hannah.
Did you punch her?
No! The worst thing I've ever done is ignore her, which isn't easy because all she ever wants to do is hang with me. She, worships me.
So, what did you do?
Nothing exists.
Harley...
Chris, I'm gay.
So, breaking into people's houses and living in their basements, that's a gay thing?
Chris...
Harley, I know you're gay. Everyone knows. You're not exactly in the closet.
Well, my idiot stepmother thinks I'm gonna corrupt her precious little baby girl. She literally thinks that being gay is contagious. She's crazy.
Oh, wow.
There was a horrible fight. We all said some pretty nasty stuff to each other. Then the step monster dumped all my stuff out on the lawn. But I just left everything and walked away.
Harley, I'm so sorry. Let me get my folks. I think they'll be cool. We can go get your stuff, and maybe my dad can talk to your dad.
Chris, that was 3 weeks ago.
You've been living in our basement for 3 weeks?
No, 2 weeks. The first week I was sleeping at the park. Chris, if your folks call the cops, then I'll be arrested for sure. I'll clear out. Just please give me a few hours head start. I'll try to send you some money for the food as soon as I get a job.
You can't just leave. Where will you go? I'm going to get my folks. Maybe they can help.
I don't know, Chris.
Please just wait here while I go talk to them first. It's going to be okay.